because he has to clean up.
Oh, let's gonna watch this.
I accidentally ended one of them, so. Yeah, I know. It's hot today.
Don't keep talking, just clean up. I don't care about your stupid video games.
I can't tickle the microphone. Not that. I don't know. I'm trying to make it stand up because it's like tipping everywhere. And Jane tipped it over, pulled it off of it, so I had to try to fix it. Ow! You know, Jane wants to sleep with the door in. I hate her the but you're going to confidence. There's a voice walking here, which is I know is a baby. Hello. And Jane, you got my clip? And your cup is under here.
What?
Your cup.
Oh. Okay. Eat up.
Stop sitting in front of my camera and dance, Ash. Oh, I didn't know your camera was on. Yes, you did. Thought you turned it off for a minute. I didn't. Mom said you can't mock. And you're mocking.
How am I mocking?
Because. Why are you putting trash? That's evil stuff. That's eating something, you can't see it.
I can if I want, eh?
Well, I want you to control my headphones. You said you punch or something. Hey, Anna, you're gonna go to Marley's by yourself.
Why?
Because I don't want to go to Marley's.
Why?
Because I already went there. We already ate all the jelly beans.
Why all of them?
Because we already did it when I went over there. There's only like a few more that are really nasty.
I don't care.
So you want to eat nasty ones?
You can watch me. You can put a video while I'm eating them.
That's just weird, but... You know, are we still playing with your little adult thingies?
You can't make cribs, so you can't put the babies in.
Why?
Because you can't make the cribs.
Why not?
But I don't know how. Because I can't do it without tape. I only have to do it. I can only do it with tape.
Mom's not here, you can good at it.
Why are there stickers on the house?
G and B.
Well, she won't be missing them now.
I want to be pancake, Rihanna.
We're finishing the game, Ash. We didn't finish the game yesterday. Do you still want to wear your little, the green bow thing?
Yeah, I will.
Scissor? Ouch.
Huh, what?
Did you clean it?
No.
You guys didn't play early.
We're just getting the stuff out.
We'll get it out, yeah. Get it first. A cup? Who left a cup there? You? Because I wasn't here.
Are you watching Peppa Pig?
She is. How dark is my old friend? You need to babysit your baby. You need to take your baby with you.
Okay, I will.
Tro.
Tro.
What the heck?
Tro. Yeah, just suck my butt. Yeah.
Get out of my camera. You're gonna suck my butt. It's magic.
Is it?
What? Look at the roof. You guys, isn't it pretty?
In Call of Duty? That's
Pretty, isn't it? That's it?
Yep.
Okay.
Wait, one more.
Oh, that's all we're cleaning.
What?
Don't do that, Aiden.
Never mind. Cinderella. Did you take that out of my mom's room?
I found it in the washroom.
Ariana, this is not you. This is not your room. This is my room.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
We're not sharing rooms.
I'm not having that small room, so no.
Fine. How about if the baby's room?
I said we're not playing with the babies.
Then why would? Fine. We just can make a regular crib like this.
Crib.
That's what I was looking for. Are more little ones like these ones?
They have one difference down here in the room.
No, the babies are sleeping down there in the room.
This room?
Yeah. Over there.
Let's split up a room then.
We sleep in here.
You both? Okay, we're not splitting up the room. You want your little green ball?
Yeah. How about our brushes and stuff?
I don't know if you put them in there.
Yes, I did.
Here's your headband.
Do you have your headband? Oh, yeah, baby. Hope the baby's in the
My boyfriend's in here. Our purses, but only. Why did you only pack up your brush?
Dodo bird? I didn't.